Okay, so after the disaster class, which was last season, we were all left disappointed, obviously, as United fans. मतलब वो तो आदत हो गई है अब. But more than disappointed, we were conflicted and sort of lost on these players कि मतलब should they actually be playing, or is something wrong with the positions that they're playing in. But there is something seriously wrong at this club. वो तो हमने decide मतलब वो तो हमने like reduce कर ही लिया था. But okay, what we know is fixed and what will not change next season is that Amorim will be playing the 3-4-3, right? That is, we know he'll play that. So the productive discourse that we should be having, or the topic that we should be discussing as a fan base, is not who to kick out, who to bring in the cash for, or whatever. And we should be discussing who we have and who should be playing in what position under Amorim system. क्योंकि ये जो भी गॉसिप है कि लाइक गर्नाचो इज़ अ स्नेक और वट एवर है ना, कौन लोन से वापस आ रहा है, कौन आ रहा है, ओके फाइन, वी कैन कंसिडर ऑल दैट कि लाइक हाँ हु इज़ अवेलेबल फॉर नेक्स्ट सीजन. बट व्हाट एक्चुअली मैटर्स इज़ व्हाट दीज पीपल प्रोड्यूस ऑन द पिच. तो क्योंकि अब देखो गर्नाचो ने जो भी बोला है ना, लाइक ऑब्वियसली इट वॉज वेरी टॉक्सिक एंड वट एवर, बट दैट इज़ Amorim's थिंग टू डील विद, एंड वही ही हैज़ डेल्ट विद इट. लाइक कितना ही बात कर लोगे वो सब के बारे में, कितना ही पेसिमिस्टिक हो जाओगे अबाउट दीज ग्रुप ऑफ प्लेयर्स. एट सम पॉइंट यू शुड बी टॉकिंग अबाउट what we realistically can do to not finish 17th again. So at the time of recording this, we have not announced the signing of Mbeumo.
Oh my God.
I mean,
Hell
I won't jinx it. I won't even mention it. जो होगा हो जाएगा. And Gyökeres, तो I'm not even like, okay, whatever, जो होना है हो जाएगा. I'm not jinxing it. But we have signed Matheus Cunha from Wolves, which is I mean, like काफ़ी टाइम हो गया since we've signed a prem proven player, है ना, and like we have actually managed to pull it off and not like have gotten the deal sabotaged by some bigger club. So yeah, Matheus Cunha is now officially a United player, and he will be occupying that the left number 10 role. मतलब वो तो काफ़ी obvious है. Like he used to do that at Wolves and he was pretty good at it. We also saw that at Molineux. सबको याद है कैसे he sat down Mazraoui and then like okay whatever, nightmare, और फिर corner से goal. Yeah, okay, I think that was the game that these people decided to sign him. I mean like हाँ, but like ऐसे तो फिर हर प्रेम टीम का कोई एक प्लेयर साइन करना चाहिए हमें at this rate, क्योंकि like all of them seem to turn into like prime R9 or something हमारे against. But okay, that's another thing for another day. Okay, analyzing last season, like when you really sit down and watch it and like remember, so what we were lacking was the attack, like really, क्योंकि मतलब ठीक है like midfield में mistakes हो रहे थे, Ugarte वगैरह mistakes कर रहे थे, Dorgu when he like came initially in the start, तब थोड़ा like he was rash and all. Onana तो like that मतलब I'm trying not to abuse on this channel. हाँ. So, but we're talking about the attack, क्योंकि Højlund and Zirkzee were like dropping stinkers day after day, week after week. तो अब with Cunha and with Mbeumo, like potentially, I hope it does not get hijacked by the time of posting this. So with Cunha coming in, एक dynamic add हो गया टीम में, क्योंकि जब like for example जब Garnacho खेलता था, तो Garnacho तो like we've been waiting for him to get productive and like mature with his decision making, which has just not happened. And whatever he did after the Europa final, that speaks for itself. So but जो Cunha है, he has proven it like recently against us, against big teams, against Liverpool at Anfield with that crazy goal. तो we know what he is capable of. लेकिन एक दिक्कत आती है, and that is the positional issue that comes along with Cunha occupying that role. So अगर तुमने Cunha का गेम देखा होगा, what he does is, no, he's very good at beating people, like okay, understandable, but there is something which he like lacks. It's not really lacking, मतलब it wasn't needed of him at Wolves, but हाँ like United के sense में, like in the terms of fitting the system under Amorim, there is something he lacks, क्योंकि if you have noticed or watched him play, तो what he does is like on the counter, जैसे counter मिला तो he'll be the one like picking up the ball. Fine, he beats people like good with that. He's good with the ball. He carries it well, but he's the one who like gets his head up and looks for the runner. मतलब okay, now वो काफ़ी दो उसके अच्छे goals हैं. That one against Villa and that remember that run जो Palace के against किया था with the like really good finish. Fine, but those are like exceptions. What mostly he does is he occupies a sort of creative role and मतलब he takes a lot of shots है ना. We need that, but हमें जो चाहिए ना, we need what Garnacho couldn't provide. We need someone like good at like getting in behind that like center back and right back वाला space, like that flank. क्योंकि जो कूनिया करता है like carrying the ball, looking for runners, we have that person in Bruno Fernandes, and we know Bruno is not leaving. So what we need Cunha is to like develop his game or like let go of some certain aspects of his game कि like अगर वो 10 में से 9 बार like man beat करके shot ले रहा है या कुछ कर रहा है, तो like we need him to look for like releasing the ball and making that run or like whipping a cross in. Okay, I'm not saying कि like he needs to like become a proper ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं direct winger कि he lets like completely lets go of that creative aspect of his game. मैं ये भी नहीं बोल रहा कि वो like he's not a good finisher या कुछ, या he's not good at like he has scored bangers है ना, he's good in the box as well. लेकिन the thing is कि हमें जो like जो हमारा striker है, okay, I'm assuming that we won't be able to sign Gyökeres or anyone decent. या ठीक है, even if we do, I can't really trust anyone right now. तो हमें चाहिए someone in the box, क्योंकि हमारे जो goals आते हैं it's like they're very like absurd कि a center back crossing it in and Bruno goal मार दिया, या मतलब like अगर तुम देखोगे they're not really कि हाँ okay the system like created this goal, ये तुम्हें like satisfactory goals नहीं होते. तो अब जब कूनिया आ ही गया है and he has the ability to beat people, we need him to strictly like not strictly, okay, strictly थोड़ा strong word हो गया, but we need him to stick to that flank and carry that flank the way Amad does to with his flank. क्योंकि अब देखो जो हमारा जो गेम बनता है मोस्टली वो क्या होता है कि लाइक तुम अमाद को बॉल दो एंड पूरा इधर दैट स्पेस गेट्स ऑक्यूपाइड ना, कि दो मिडफील्डर आ गए बॉक्स की एज पे, दो मिडफील्डर आ गए एंड देन अमाद इज ड्रिबलिंग विद इट एंड ही इज लुकिंग फॉर हेड्स, लाइक ही इज लुकिंग फॉर क्रॉसेस है ना. तो जो इस फ्लैंक पे थ्रेट है हमारे यहाँ वो कौन थे, वो गर्नाचो था या कभी कभी माउंट था. तो इमेजिन इफ इट इज़ कूनिया देयर, तो लाइक यू कुड स्विच द बॉल रियली क्विक and you could open the team up, क्योंकि Cunha is like almost as good as Amad. Okay, I'm glazing Amad, shit, he is better than Amad, let's be real. So we need Cunha to stick to that flank and become a more direct player than he is right now. देखो, if Cunha fails in getting in behind and he keeps going central, तो इसके like काफ़ी गंदे consequences हो सकते हैं. क्योंकि क्या होगा कि now we know Dorgu is going to play that left flank है ना, like the left wing back position, क्योंकि I think he has proven himself over the last few games of the season. तो हाँ, the consequences of Cunha like going central like a lot of the times ये होगा कि Dorgu will get pulled forward, which will completely expose that left flank. Now तो फिर क्या होगा, one bad touch, one loose ball and the break is on है ना. And with the quality that the Premier League has, like कि that left flank is going to get pierced through. न्यूकासल के लौंडे हैं, गॉर्डन, लिवरामेंटो, सला तो वो तो बैंकर है कि ही इज़ गोना स्कोर अगेंस्ट अस, लाइक वो अपने दिमाग में मार चुका है हमारे अगेंस्ट गोल. तो व्हाट वी रियली नीड Cunha टू डू इज़ गेट इन बिहाइंड. दिस इज़ द मेन एम्फेसिस ऑफ दिस वीडियो, क्योंकि उसके काफ़ी हैवी कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज हो सकते हैं. वी हैव कंसीडर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ गोल्स टू आवर लेफ्ट विंग बैक, like getting pulled forward a lot of the times and not being able to recover. Some goals that come to mind are Goodison Park में वो घटिया सा गोल, डकूरे का हेडर, like उसका जो बिल्डअप था वो भी काफ़ी horrendous था from our that flank. The Bodo Glimt वाला गोल at home in the Europa League, फिर Salah at home, and so on. मतलब we have conceded a lot of goals like that. The other like grave consequence of Cunha not making those runs or not being as direct as we need him to be is that Bruno goes wide or he sits deep. So he basically loses his role as the creative engine of the team. I know a lot of United fans who will be like very happy with this because like there is an agenda that, I mean agenda nahi, it is the fact that he does misplace a lot of passes. He plays those Hollywood passes, yeah, like over ambitious looking, like एकदम ही crazy लंबी बॉल डालने का सोचता है वो, and he loses the ball a lot of the times in the midfield. And yes, but I think he has carried this team, and I think he deserves that role to be creative, because if there is someone who deserves that role, if there is someone who deserves to take those risks, okay, fine, he should sit with Amorim and they should be having a discussion about his his rash, like his capability to like make those sudden rash balls, knowing कि like कोई पहुंचेगा नहीं उन पे, या थोड़ा like cheeky pass करने जाता है वो वही, and he loses the ball in the midfield. And Ugarte भी है side में who is काफ़ी prone to losing the ball. So he does need to work on that. But if there is anyone who deserves that role of being the creative engine of this team, it is Bruno Fernandes, and there is no two ways about that. तो अगर दो बंदे होंगे ऐसे जो क्रिएट करने के पीछे पड़े रहेंगे, या जो जब पूरी टीम सेट बैक करी हुई है तो लाइक जो बॉल पिकअप करेंगे, तो भाई रन कौन बनाएगा? क्योंकि we can't rely on Ahmad. We have seen that time and time again. We cannot rely on one player to make those runs, and our strikers are incapable. So what we need from Cunha is to be the direct player that we need him to be. Get in behind, like बस घुस जा जैसे अहमद घुसता है, like zigzag कर, कुछ भी कर, और play with Dorgu, just whip those crosses in कई बार, क्योंकि that will add a dynamic to our team which we currently do not have. Our left flank is completely dead, and the idea of like Menu and Bruno, or like Casemiro or someone, the idea of these midfielders who are capable of like playing those good delicious balls है ना, the idea of them playing it to Højlund की जगह someone like a Cunha or an Ahmad, like simultaneously, like this idea कि एक तरफ से अमाद है अंदर घुसने के लिए और एक तरफ से Cunha है, it gives you hope. It really does give me hope, because I would rather like Cunha be getting at the end of these chances with his finishing ability rather than creating them. क्योंकि like let's be real, like the thing that we lacked most season was the goals, right? And like fine, like Bruno is carrying us and all that, एक आध गोल आ जाते थे, हैरी मैगवायर हेडर like कॉर्नर से आ जाते थे, whatever. But like तुम्हें वो those scrappy goals and stuff, you need that, and we don't have a striker who does that. I think we will need to like heavily rely on Cunha, like heavily emphasize on him getting in the box and not staying like lingering outside it. या अब देखो जैसे काउंटर मिला यूनाइटेड को है ना, तो ब्रूनो इज़ ऑलवेज द वन पिकिंग अप द बॉल लुकिंग फॉर द रन. अब अगर Cunha भी वही करेगा तो लाइक इट्स आई मीन काफ़ी अनप्रोडक्टिव है ना, कि लाइक रन कौन बना रहा है, लाइक हु इज़ एक्चुअली गोइंग टू स्कोर दैट गोल, हु इज़ गोइंग टू फिनिश दैट चांस. सो या दैट्स इट बेसिकली. in my opinion Cunha should be like changing up, like mixing it up with his like the way he plays, and I think that will be the way for us to like really succeed. क्योंकि हाँ ठीक है, एक आध हम जीतते हैं लाइक स्पेक्टैकुलर गोल ऐसे अवे गेम में मार दिया 1-0, बट हमें कंसिस्टेंटली लाइक एटलीस्ट अगेंस्ट द स्मॉल टीम्स विच वी ऑल्सो आर, वी नीड टू लाइक डिस्पैच दोज स्क्रैपी गोल्स, दोज लाइक मिस्टेक्स पे जो चांसेस मिलती हैं. या सो वी नीड Cunha टू बी स्कोरिंग मोर देन ही शुड बी क्रिएटिंग, क्योंकि आई थिंक the chance creation is not as big of an issue as our finishing is. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you in the next.